there, crafty people. This is Ellen with EGI Designs, and today I am coming to you with the new simonsaysstamp card kit unboxing. And this one is called Birthday Blitz, and it just finally caught up to me. So I just wanted to go through the contents with you and show you how amazing this kit is, and it's super fun. And I wanted to go through a little bit of housekeeping first, and then we'll get right into doing the unboxing. So simonsaysstamp, their subscription service for the card kits, is awesome because you get to every month. If you don't want to get that month, you can cancel it for that month. You're guaranteed to get a kit, which is always a good thing. Sometimes they sell out, and it is at a discounted cost. And then you have the opportunity that if you want to add to the box before they send it to you, you can do so, and it will maintain that same flat shipping of $7.99. And then another cool thing they just started is that if your product cost is over $100, then the whole thing ships free to you. So if you have a wish list that you build kind of over a couple of weeks, if you want to coincide that with your shipment for your kit, then you can end up getting free shipping. I think that is it. One thing that I love about the Simon kits is that they release the products individually at the same time as they release the kit. So if there's anything in here that you really like, you don't want the whole thing, but you really want one of the things, you can go ahead and grab that individually. So that's pretty awesome. I will list all of the things in here that I showed today in the description box. I do have affiliate links, so everything will be there available for you to check out. And let's get on with the show. Let's see what's up. I did add in the dies because I do like to have the die set. Let's pull this out. I actually, last month, I had a viewer request to make a card with the paper bag from this. So I just did, the quickest thing that came to mind, which was using it, as a distressed matte layer for a card. And I will put that, I'll put the link up top, and at the end scene, or the end credit, the end card, I forget what you call it, or in the description. So if you're looking to find that, just something fun to do with all of the pieces of the kit. So you can check that out. Alright, let's see. I need to look for the map because that's my favorite part, is looking at the map here. Alright, so already looking at this, you can tell that this is just fun. Like, look at this rainbow paper back here. Balloons, like clouds, flowers, like this is a super fun kit. Oh gosh, and look at this. The inspiration on here is super fun. Alright, let's see. Let's get through this. There's so many things. Okay, so here is the stamp set, and this is called Birthday Blitz. And I just like, this has a very kind of 70s vibe to me. Because you could use this like as a rainbow, you could use it as a hill, just a cool decorative background. Like this could be a pardon me, this could be a sun, but it could also be like a really cool, like if you did a bunch of them on a card front with different colors, that would be really cool. These flowers are so sweet. And I love any of these sets that have this kind of font with the swirly and then the rest is plain. I just love that. And there's a smiley face. You could probably put that in the sun. That is so cute. You could even put it in the cloud. You could have a happy little cloud, right? Alright, so the die set does cut out all of the pieces, including the swooshy hill, so that is very exciting. This was an extra add-on purchase, the die sets, but I do like to have the dies for my stamp set, so I did get that. So be sure if you want that, you need to add that in. That is not part of the kit. Now let's see. Then we get into the dies. Look at these, like, how fun is this? This is just like a party. Hello, kitty. That's my kitty, Cookie. She likes to talk a lot. So we have here this Ferris wheel. And that's so cute, and you could cut out these in all different colors or whatever you want. That's so fun. Alright, and then we have this party balloon. So it's got the balloon and it's got the little highlight piece. Hello, Cookie Bear. Hi. He's very loud. And then we have the rubber ducky. That's so cute. All this stuff has like such fair vibes, right? And then poppin' corn. And you get two different kinds of popcorn, like a little popcorn highlight. And then the container, and a little label, and you could do a really cute, oh, we have 3 popcorns, but you could do a cute little label. If you had like a little stamp, you could put that in there. That's so cute. Alright, let's see what else. Oh, I don't know if you can see this. We'll look on this side. Sorry. I love this. This one is called Birthday Sentiments, and it is pretty awesome. If you have watched any of my videos on making cards, when I put a card in the mail, especially if there's embellishments or things on the front, I like to take whatever size my card base is, I'll cut a piece of cardstock to match, and I'll run it through an embossing folder, and I'll put that over the front of the card before I put it in the envelope, and it kind of smooths out the front a little bit, and the embossed paper gives it a little bit of a cushion. So this one will be perfect for those birthday cards. I just love this. I'm very excited about that one. Let's see, where are we at? 2 sheets of simonsaysstamp birthday easy sentiment strips. Ooh. So you get the black with the white and the white with the black. And these are foilable as well. So you could put them through a Mink fuse machine, laminator, and you want to make sure you use the kind of foil like this, like deco foil, like heat transfer, not the glimmer foil. But these are cool. I wish I had known. I would have pulled out. There is a die set that will cut all these out at once. It is like the easy strip die set, and they're coming out with a whole bunch of different styles of these, and you can use the same die for all of them, which is really awesome. Alright. Alright, then we have 12 double-sided sheets from the Simple Stories Fun Times 6x8 paper pad. So this is very carnival. This is so fun. So bright. Oh my goodness. And the rosettes. Some cut aparts. You could do a really cute thing with this lucky duck with the duck. That's cool. Some more cut aparts. These are just so bright and vibrant. That's cute. Have a really great day. You could use this on your popcorn. Hope your day is poppin'. That was super fun. Oh my goodness. It's like birthday meets carnival. Let's see. Ooh, 1 pack of 19 colors of simonsaysstamp assorted heavy stock card panel fronts. This is very exciting. Let me just open this really quick. I'll take a flip through. It's good to just have like all the colors. Then you can see what you like. Sample packs I really like to have because I might not, like I might one day be like, I need some orange, and I don't usually get orange, but now I have some orange, so these are really thick. I have all these different colors. And purples. Oh, God. Look at that. I like these blues and turquoise too. So, lots of cool. This is such an interesting color. I'm trying to remember what that's called, but I really love it. It's like so dark green that it's almost black. Alright, let's see. Alright, then we get 1 simonsaysstamp holographic rainbow digital, oh my god, diagonal, yes, cardstock. Look at that. Sorry for the shine. So that's great with this whole kit. It matches perfectly. And then last but not least, we have a 1/4 sheet of white adhesive foam strips. So if you wanted to make you know, a shaker with any of these things, that would be great. If you wanted to pop up your sentiments, also awesome. And in case you didn't know, right now, this month is Stamptember 2025. Every day of September, simonsaysstamp has a collaboration with another company. Which is really awesome, and they are limited edition. They are not restocked, so if there's something you want, you need to grab it right away. Sometimes in the past I've seen things sold out in like 15 minutes, and then other things are a few days, some things are a couple weeks. So you never know, you know, which ones are going to be the ones that everybody wants. So if you want it, you got to get it. It is, the collabs go live at noon Eastern time. And if you aren't already on my blog, which is at egidesigns.com, or my Facebook, which is EGI Designs, every day when the new collab comes out, I do list it there. So that information is available to you. I do have pictures, you know, what's available. Sometimes it's a stamp set, sometimes it's stamp and die set, sometimes it's stamp and stencils and dies, and I think I saw the upcoming for Gina K, whenever that is, also has foiling sheets, so a lot of good stuff coming up. So yeah, so you can come over to Facebook, sign up for that, or my blog, and I also do post it as updates on my YouTube community page. So lots of places to get the information of what is going on for the day. Alright, I think that is it. Again, I will list everything in the kit in the description box, so you have that available to you, and I will also have a blog post if you'd rather look through that. If you found value in today's video, I would love it if you could hit that subscribe button and join my crafty community. We would love to have you, and that really helps me grow my channel and get to other crafters. Yeah, so come join me on Facebook, Pinterest, and my blog. And until next time, like, subscribe, and all that jazz, and have an amazing day. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, if you have watched this far, then you are eligible for a special surprise. I ordered an extra one of these embossing folders, the Birthday Sentiments, and I am giving it away for free. So if you would like to have the instructions on how to claim that, look in the comment section under this video and follow the instructions there, and hopefully you will get it. The first one to claim it is the first one that gets it. So good luck! Here are a couple more videos I thought you might like. Thanks so much for watching.